Okay, welcome to this video on how to add product to your Flutterwave store. Now, I've actually gone ahead to record some videos, but somehow the videos went bad. So, and of course, in doing that, I had to add these three products. Okay, it took a while before me to come back to this part. So, so you've not missed anything. I'm going to take you through what I did. All right, and it's still, the last place we stopped was after we set up the store and we had to start adding product to the store. Okay, so every other thing here remained the same from the last thing you watched, the last session we did. Everything here, I think I explained a couple of things here already, and we were to start adding products, right? So from here, assume you're not seeing these three products. Okay, I would have gone ahead to delete them, but that's going to be some work for me. So let's just go ahead and start adding more products. All right, so I'm here. I click on add. Okay, it brings me here. So this is where we start adding our products. Now what I'm going to do now is I'm going to load up the page. There's a URL, the site we were on the last time, where we're picking up items from. Let me just search it out again. I call it kitchen store. Okay, I'm gonna come here, click on kitchen store. Is this? Okay, and we are still going to something about beds and okay, and bats. Okay, so picking this, any of these ones. Let's go to accessories. Just follow me through. All right, this is very simple. Okay, what I'm doing here is to pick up what we are going to be adding to the store. All right, and in your own case, you probably will be taking your own pictures and then writing your own content. But in the case you don't have camera to get a nice shot of those products, you can actually go online and find what you are selling, look for the picture. I believe the picture of whatever it is you want to sell exists, except you are making your own product. Then in that case you will need to take your own shot yourself and make sure it's clear enough so that your customers can at least like what you're selling. Okay, so now we are here and I want to pick this. Yeah, I like this. This is nice. Click on this one. Okay, so this is the picture of what I'm selling. So I'm going to save this. All right, click on it. Click on save images. Where am I adding this thing? Or where's my folder? Okay, great. I click on download. Now your own window might be slightly different from mine, okay, but either ways, once you click on right click on the image, it's going to save. All right, it's going to save. Okay, so close this and I get more. I need variations of the same thing I'm selling. Get that, and the one thing I need just 3. Okay, we have 3 pictures already. So the next thing is here we pick the name of the products. All right, right click and I go to, I add a name here. Okay, so come here. Now details, I'm gonna get the right up here. They don't have much. Okay, but I'll still deal with that. At least you get the idea, right? So I'll come here add my description here. The next thing is a pricing. I pick a price. It doesn't matter, just for the training. All right. The size as a weight. Say I have 4 units, 5 units. Then the next will come here. We are adding the pictures now. Okay, let me go to my folder. Okay. Okay, this is the first one. Okay. Add another one again. Next one. So I have 3 of the pictures now. So we have the 3 pictures added, and we have our title, that's the product name. We have the description for the product here. We also have the pricing and the weight of the item. Now we say save. Great. So we have added our product. Now remember the last before I started this recording, I told you that I have actually added 3 products before, and I was recording, but somehow it happened that my video was recording, and I had some delay on getting back to this video. Other things took my attention, so I had some delay. So you can see the date here. So please, this one that I just added now is the same process. Okay, you can add as many as you want, and I wouldn't want this to be too long, so I'll add one more product for you to see. I go and add new. We'll go back to our site we're using. Use the back button here. Okay, let's pick let's go for this. Okay, get the picture. Another one. The next, the third one. I like the way they do this. They kind of accessorize the item, so you can actually have a feel of the best way to use the product, right? Yeah, so these are things you pick up from some of these sites. Okay, so now let's pick the title, the product name, pick it up, come here, add it, come back again. See, I'm not asking you to go and copy and paste from other sources. Okay, what I think you can do here is to, once you pick up this, you can rewrite it. Okay, I'm not showing you how to add your product on the store, but you can be a bit creative when you are picking from other sources, other sites. Try and make it yours, try and make it unique, so you don't become a copycat. All right, so I'm doing that because I don't want to waste time on this. Okay, add this picture here, the right up here, then put the pricing and say, remember, I don't want someone to go and pay for these things while we are shooting, so let me increase the price 20,000. So before someone goes and pay and says he has actually paid for something. Okay, the weight 3, quantity I put 5. Okay, let's pick the product image here. You can also drag the image from the folder and put there. All right, so but let's just do this way now. Okay, so we come here, you can drag. Let me show you how to drag. I open the folder. It's opening, it's taking a while. Okay, open it here. Let's see. Wait, that's the first one. Okay, just drag and put it here. Okay, now we have that here. Let's do the third one. As you open my folder, scroll down to the last picture, I drag it and bring it here. Okay, so we're done. So the next thing we'll do, click on Save Products. Great, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products already. So let's visit our store to see how our site is looking. You can see saying here you are live, so that means this site is actually live and we can start receiving payments. Okay, so I'll go to manage my store so I can get the URL. That's a link here. Click here on this link. Boom. Wow, we can see our store is live. Fantastic. You can see it's live. So now we can actually start selling, right? And now I can still add more products here. You can see you can see add more items here. You can see the last one, we just add this one and this one. Now if I want to buy this, I click plus and my cart is uploaded, it's all updated. Okay, I'll actually come and click on it this way and I'll see the details. Okay, the item, we can see what would profit. You can see everything is here. You can see the pictures. People can actually browse and have a feel of what they are buying. Okay, let's see that here. Good. Good. So you can come here. If I want to increase the number of items I'm buying, I want to see, I click on this. When I click here, it shows me the same item but 2 pieces. Now I click on continue. I put my name. Okay, I want to check out. I'm checking out. Great, so you see I'm here now, so I can actually pay for this. All right, now I deliberately put this price that much so that people can just start paying for those things while we're streaming. All right, so that is that. I can cancel this from here. Yeah, we cancel it, we're not paying. So that is how you add your product on your Flutterwave store. It's very easy. Okay, it's very easy. You know, I told you can actually add a description here and maybe put your address if you want to put your address here. So since you don't have the room to add your address, have a page for your contact information, you can use this.